Listen, I don't know what you're facing right now. I don't know what weight sits on your chest when you wake up, or what thoughts keep you awake at night. But I came here to remind you of something real. You are not alone. Not for 1 second. Not even in the cold. Not even in the darkness. God is still with you, even here. Life can hit hard. It can take so much from a person that they stop recognizing themselves. Your strength, your peace, your place in the world. Sometimes it feels like all of it slips away. And when you're homeless, hurting, and confused, when the world feels like it turned its back on you, it's easy to believe God did too. But hear this clearly. Your situation is not God abandoning you. Your situation is life trying to break you. But God is trying to build you. There is a difference. You said you feel like you're alone with Satan's minions. Like you're under attack. Like darkness keeps surrounding you. People don't talk about this enough. But there are seasons where it really feels like spiritual pressure is everywhere. Where your mind is tired. Your body is tired. Your faith is tired. But even when you can't see it, God has already placed protection around you. If the enemy truly had full access to you, you wouldn't even be standing. The fact that you're still here, still breathing, still trying, means God is blocking more than you know. You said you don't get it. You don't understand what God is doing. You don't understand why you're in this position. Let me tell you this. Even the strongest people break when life gets this heavy. Confusion doesn't make you weak. Not understanding doesn't make you faithless. It makes you human. Sometimes God's plan isn't clear until the storm passes. Sometimes clarity only comes when you look back and realize, if that didn't happen, I would have never grown the way I did. But right now, in this moment, your only job is not to see the full picture. Your job is simply to hold on. God is not blind to what